Now come to our next exercise, exercise 6.2, question number 1. In figure first and second, two figures are given to us, this first figure and this is our second figure. In this figure, DE parallel to BC, this DE and this D line parallel to BC is given to us. Okay, find EC in first. Okay, we have to find this EC in first figure and AD in this second figure. Okay, so here only what we have given DE parallel to BC. Okay, and if we are going, if we are thinking about our two theorems. Okay, BPT and converse of BPT. Okay, so in first theorem means in BPT, if D parallel to BC, then what we have say there, then if D parallel to BC, then we can say that the ratios are equal. Okay, means if D parallel to BC, then ratios are equal. Okay, and if ratios are equal, then what, DE must be parallel to BC. Okay, ratios equal है तो D parallel to BC होगी. Okay, and if D parallel to BC, then ratios are equal. So here D parallel to BC is given to us, and that's why these ratios, what we are going to take the ratios, that ratios must be equal. So write down the answer of first in triangle. Okay, for this first figure in triangle ABC, what we have given DE parallel to BC is given to us. Okay, so in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, if D parallel to BC, then ratios must be equal. Therefore what ratios then, AD upon DB. Okay, AD upon DB, AD upon DB is equal to what, AE upon AC. AE upon AC, these ratios are equal since by, from which theorem, since by BPT. Okay, since by BPT or basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so if DE parallel to BC, then we can say that ratios must be equal. Okay, this is our statement of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so here AD is given to us, AD is 1.5 centimeter. We have to find out this EC. Okay, so AD is given to us 1.5 upon DB is 3 is equal to AE is 1 centimeter, 1 upon EC we have to find out, and therefore now taking cross multiplication we get 1.5 into EC is equal to 1 into 3, and therefore we get EC is equal to, if we have to find out EC, then we have to divide both side by 1.5, means we get 1.5 get cancel, and in this side we get 3 upon 1.5, and therefore we get EC is equal to, now multiply and divide multiply and divide this term by 10, means we get 3 into 10 upon 1.5 into 10. Okay, when we cut this 10, okay, when we cut this 10, then we get again our original, means equation is balanced here, original term. Therefore we get EC is equal to 3 into 10 is 30 upon 1.5 into 10 is 50, and therefore we get EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, and therefore our EC is what, then EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, again for second figure, DE parallel to BC is given to us. If DE parallel to BC, then by basic proportionality theorem we can say that the ratios must be equal. So write down for second figure in triangle ABC, again DE parallel to BC is given to us. Okay, DE parallel to BC is given to us, and therefore if DE parallel to BC, then by basic proportionality theorem we can say that ratios must be equal, and therefore AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, since by BPT, since by basic proportionality theorem, what is the reason, since by basic proportionality theorem, and therefore here AD we have to find out. So AD upon DB is given to us 7.2 centimeter, which is equal to AE is given to us 1.8 centimeter, and EC is given to us 5.4 centimeter, and therefore we get 5.4 into, after cross multiplication we get 5.4 into AD is equal to 1.8 into 7.2, and therefore if we have to find out AD, then we have to divide both side by 5.4, and therefore we get 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4. Therefore AD is equal to, when we take the multiplication of this 1.8 and 7.2, we get it as 12.96 upon 5.4, and therefore AD is equal to what, there multiply and divide numerator and denominator by 100. Okay, because after decimal point two terms are there. Okay, so if we have to convert this in number, okay, in our whole number, then we have to multiply and divide this by 100. So 12.96 multiplied by 100 upon 5.4 multiplied by 100, and therefore we get AD is equal to 1296 divided by 540, and therefore we get AD as what, then after taking division of this number we get 2.4 centimeter. Okay, do it yourself. So after division we get AD is equal to what, then 2.4 centimeter. Okay, so solve this example yourself, question number 1. Okay.